Hi everyone and welcome to 60 Minute Warrior. You probably already know that all of the big marketers online generate most of their income from selling their own products and services. And I'm sure you've seen the big guns sell thousands of copies of their own offers on the Warrior Plus platform. However, most people don't have the time or knowledge to create something of their own, and they don't know where to start when it comes to adding a product on Warrior Plus. Well, what if I told you that you could create an income stream of your own on the Warrior Plus platform from a standing start in less than 60 minutes? We're talking about a complete sales funnel here. Plus, you don't even have to create a product of your own. Now, I'm sure you've seen many marketers claim to show you exactly what you need to do to start making sales online. But if you look deeper into their claims, you'll find that it involves a complicated and lengthy procedure. Let's face it, nobody wants to spend days or even weeks of their valuable time creating product sales pages and sales funnels. And then there's all the behind the scenes stuff like setting up payment processes, affiliate programs, exit pages and list building elements. That's exactly why we created 60 Minute Warrior. With our step-by-step 60-minute warrior training, you'll be able to take any reseller or private label rights product and turn it into a profit in record time. Plus, once you have the blueprint, you'll be able to implement it over and over again, giving you the ability to create endless streams of income with your resale rights or private label rights material that you probably already have sitting gathering dust on your hard drive right now. In our 60-minute warrior training, we show you absolutely everything, step by step. Choosing what to sell. We show you how to find the very best reseller products that are already done for you. Getting your product ready for sale. We show you how to edit absolutely everything and prepare it to sell. Getting your pages online. We show you the simplest way to upload your pages and get them online. Preparing your pages. We show you how to tweak any graphics and content on all of your pages. Creating a product in Warrior Plus. We show you how to create a brand new product on the Warrior Plus platform. Creating an offer on Warrior Plus. We show you how to create a brand new offer on the Warrior Plus platform. Preparing your upsell product. We show you how to get your upsell product ready for your sales funnel. Adding your upsell product to Warrior Plus. We show you how to add your upsell product to Warrior Plus and also your existing offer that you just created. Adding no thanks links. We show you how to link up all of your sales funnel with no thanks links. Finalizing your pages. We show you how to finalize absolutely everything. Testing the upsell process. We show you how you can very simply test the entire upsell process. Testing everything. We show you how you can very simply test the entire funnel. And we do all of that in front of your very eyes, step by step, in under 60 minutes. Yes, we don't just explain what you need to do, we physically show you how to do everything right in front of your very eyes so you can very easily duplicate everything we do. In less than 60 minutes, you could have your very own product on the Warrior Plus platform with a complete sales funnel, making sales and generating subscribers for life. Remember, we don't just explain what you need to do, we physically show you step by step. We've even included a countdown timer in the video training so you can physically see it counting down from 60 minutes as we show you everything that you need to do. This is the only product to ever physically show you before your very eyes how to create a complete, ready-to-go sales funnel on the Warrior Plus platform in less than 60 minutes. So let me ask you a quick question. If you could create an income stream in under 60 minutes, how many would you create? Just imagine if you spent 60 minutes per day implementing what we teach. This time next year you could have 365 income streams online, all with the potential to generate huge revenue on complete autopilot. Remember, we have left absolutely nothing to chance. We physically show you absolutely everything. You can grab this right now at a very special, massively discounted price, but only during this very special launch period. So check out the details on this page and we look forward to showing you how to become a 60-minute warrior. See you on the inside, guys.